Okay, this is not good. We just got tornado warnings everywhere. The tornado warnings are popping up everywhere. There's a couple counties south of here. There's some counties way over here. There's a tornado warning right here. There's a tornado warning over here. There's a tornado warning right here. We're about to get hit. We got the wind. We got some wind coming in. How many tornadoes is on that tornado warning? We're gonna count them right now. Okay, we got lots of them. We have lots of them. The one, the red is under a tornado warning. That's what the red is. The tornado warning is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 counties. 14 counties. Nah, shit, we lost television. Okay, shit, we lost it. We lost cable. I still got internet. Okay, I think they just issued another tornado warning here. I think there's another tornado warning because I got some black clouds coming in. I do not know there's a tornado on the ground, but hopefully the power don't go out because it would scare the heck out of me. I don't know what's going on, but there's tornado warnings popping up. Indianapolis on the warning. There's like 14 counties in northern Indiana and southern Michigan's on the warning as well. Fourteen counties on the warning right now. So this is probably going to be like a 4-part, maybe a 5-part video. Depends how big this video is, because I think we're about to get a freaking a disaster. There's like a disaster going on. I don't know how many tornadoes is out there, but there's like a nasty ass clouds out there. There's nasty ass clouds out there. If I have any cable or no? If that was the EAS, it would only be off like a minute and I lost it. I just lost it. This is not good. This is a dangerous situation. We got a situation right now around here. A very bad situation. There's going to be like a tornado warning county south of us. That might be a tornado. That could be a tornado right there. That might be a tornado. I do not see any funnels. And I'll be right back. Oh, never mind. Okay, I got it. Okay.
100-mile-an-hour wind. That's the radar estimate
100-mile wind. That might be a funnel.
Wind speeds, and that would be where the yellow area is.
That's a tornado right there. Let's just be over here. Which is now on the warning.
We're still talking about 70-mile-an-hour wind speed. And earlier this summer,
there's supposed to be a new warning right here. So we might get into one.
We have some reports of that 100-mile-an-hour wind speed.
So we're not under a tornado warning.
The damaging parts and where this becomes concerning. And this is why we're on right now tracking these storms. Because
so it's going to issue a warning out here.
Most of the area is in gusty winds. We're in like this
so wind. It's getting dark outside, so I need to go in the back.
Really strong wind. So what I'm looking at here, we're watching this storm, this tropical storm.
And I don't feel any. I wasn't feeling well this morning, anyone, so that's why I'm not yelling so loudly. You think I've reached over here? Yeah, we got 100-mile wind gusts a while back.
Around that area, because if that is moving really quickly, you're going to see that moving off.
It's about 9:32 in the morning.
From that area, from that corner. Move that off.
Oh, Wausau is on the tornado warning.
That's the way the wind really has been blowing.
So there could be a funnel cloud right here.
Add that again.
There might be a funnel. It might be a funnel cloud right there.
Because these storms,
it could be a possible tornado touchdown also again. Because there was a tornado touchdown 2 days ago.
So what we're looking at
Yo, 12 warning issues also like 2 days in. Oh no. Looks like Gusty we're gonna have wax and massive club and
about 7 minutes. And that is where we've been tracking those 100-mile-an-hour wind speeds. I'll go back and show you those wind speeds here.
I don't know where the wind gust is, but
now already, which is great news, already that area that was showing you great wind speeds has now already using a little bit. So we may have had a gust that was really strong and a very small.
Nothing's going on. I don't see any wind popping up everywhere.
Die back down to about 60 mile an hour. 58, that's the criteria.
I do have thunder. I did have thunder. Sorry.
Storms have had a history of tornadoes off to our west as they developed much earlier this morning, which is why we're concerned about them. But the good news with these types of storms is that they're just small pockets. Not everyone in our area.
Alright, just lost it again. Shoot. There's another tornado warning, but where? There's another tornado warning, but I don't know where. So I'm gonna stop this right now. Stay tuned for more updates.